はい、こんにちは、あすか先生です。Hi, I'm あすか先生, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about souvenir. Do you normally buy souvenir for your friends or family or your colleague? Maybe you did or not always, I'm not sure. But in Japan, we always buy souvenirs. Okay, maybe it's a East Asian culture, I think. Yes, because my Korean and Chinese friends also buy lots of souvenirs. So yes, so when we go somewhere, we buy lots of souvenirs for our family members or friends and then colleagues. So we brought lots of things to our families and the friends and the colleagues. Okay, so souvenir is maybe in your Japanese textbook you may find the word miyage. Yes, miyage means souvenir. But normally, because we buy souvenirs for someone we like, we love, yes, and then also when we receive souvenirs from our friends or families, it's a bit, we like to show our respect. So that's why we normally call it omiyage. So with o. Omiyage means souvenir. Yes. お土産をもらいました。I received a souvenir. Yes. 友達からお土産をもらいました。I received a souvenir from my friend. Okay? And today I'd like to show you interesting word related to the word souvenir. So 土産、土産、ばなし、ばなし。Okay? So 土産話. This is very interesting word. So I will not, yes. How can I say? Yes, okay, yes. Sorry. So this part, yes, you already know 土産 means souvenir. And then this part, 話 came from 話. Have you ever heard the word 話? Means story. Yes, this is story. So 土産 means souvenir, 話 means story, and then when we link them together, は change to ば, okay, because it's easier for us to pronounce. Okay, so 土産話. Can you guess what it is? Yes, souvenir story? Does it mean how many souvenirs did I receive so far? No. This is the story works like souvenir. Yeah, so it means, for example, if I go to somewhere, for example, France, yes, フランスへ行きました。And then I did lots of things. フランス料理を食べました。I ate French cuisine. パリで買い物をしました。I did shopping in Paris. These kinds of things. And then I came back to our hometown and then talked with my friends or our family members. So it's I'm talking about what I did in my trip in Paris or France. Yes, so it works as 土産話. Okay, 土産話. It's a adventure story. Our journey story, trip story. What I did in my trip. Yes, so this is very interesting word, and then we treat it as 土産 souvenir because it's we want to share our experience in our holiday in a trip with our family members and then colleague and then friends. Yes, so 土産話. Direct translation is souvenir story, but it means we share our adventure in a trip with our loved ones. Okay, I hope you find it interesting. See you next time. さようなら。またね。